I'm looking for some buys. If, if this fair value gap is retested and the and ES sweeps these lows over here, so I'm looking for ES to sweep this 930 market open lows, while Nasdaq remains above retesting this fair value gap. I will enter. Why? So we are pretty bullish. Market open, price swept this sell side liquidity, displaced to the upside, closing above this high, indicating a market structure shift, change in delivery, back to buys. Now I'm waiting for price to come lower to retest this fair value gap while ES sweeps its lows. Then I will enter, and I will be looking for some impulse buys. So let's see. Oh shit, my chart is all messed up. Let me zoom out. So I have an alert. Immediately ES sweeps this and we are in the fair value gap zone. I will enter. So ES seems to be lagging above while Nasdaq seems to be going lower. The price action on ES is shitty. So let's see how Nasdaq will react. So we have a candle closure below. I am looking for this. Before I take any buys, I'm looking for this gap here to be inversed. Then and only then I will consider some buys. So let us see. Let's see if we'll be filled before. Right about there. So that is an alert. ES just made its let us see if it will be respected. Once we break this high over here, I will look for, once we break this, so this high has been broken. I want to see how this 1 minute candle closes, then I'm moving to break even. So if this 1 minute, this 1 minute closes, I'll move to break even once it closes above. But if it closes like this, I'll just move my stops. Yeah, to break even it is. For now, let us manage our stops. I don't like that close. So the 15 minute has closed bullish, which is good. Managed our stops to those lows. We are waiting for a candle closure back above there. Then we move our stops. Woo! Let us go, baby. Just manage the trade. So this trade will in no way hurt my account. So let us see if we'll make back. Yeah, my TP is good. My TP is good. I know price will want to come. these highs. Yep. Woo! I do not lie, man. It feels good. It feels good. Because the last time I won a trade was fucking July, man. Ah, the last time my trade hit TP was fucking the beginning of July. Was I god damn it. The last time I won a trade was in I think 4th of July or something, but before 10th of July. So it feels good. It was a good trade. I committed to my bias. I think I'm starting to get my feel. Too much talk, but we'll see about tomorrow. So that has been my day. Pretty simple. I kept it simple, just like I have been learning. And it feels good for a TP to be hit. It feels good. It feels good. I was pretty composed with the trade because, first of all, my trade management I think has improved. Why? Because I was composed with the trade because the moment I got to this level here, I had already started to manage my trades, meaning I also got a good entry. Let us. So I also got a good entry such that my overall stop loss was here. Let me talk of the trade just as we are in it. So I was going for 1:2. Nothing much, nothing crazy. That was what I was looking for 1:2. So something like this. So I was looking for 1:2. The moment I got on, I was pretty confident of my setup. I've been backtesting, I've been collecting data. So I have this level here. If I had opened some, okay. So this was supposed to be the first take profit. If I had opened some other, what we call like multiple contracts, I could have taken off some contracts here, then moved to break even. But the moment this high was broken, I was waiting for an indication by the this 1 hour closure for me to manage. But the moment it was broken, I got the confidence to manage the trade. Now managing my trade is easing my stop loss kinda kept me, not kinda, it really kept me cool and composed of the trade because now I'm not looking at the trade from a financial standpoint. And once this high was broken again, I just moved my stops to break even and I was relaxed. I was ready. I was relaxed because now the trade was at break even and it could not hurt my account in whatsoever way. So I was only to wait for my take profit to hit and see if my setup plays out. And yeah, I think I'll be doing more of that. I'll be doing more of that because I was really composed. Entering the trade, I was really composed during the trade because of how I managed, as I have explained. And while executing the trade, I was confident of the trade because I have done my due diligence in my analysis and in collecting data and refining my edge and strategy. Now I trusted my edge. I I I was just waiting for my confidence to tick, and they all ticked. I entered. There is something I'm forgetting. It's okay. It's okay. So once I entered, I accepted the risk because one, I was not over leveraging. So I accepted the risk that if my stop loss is hit, I was cool with the risk that is going into the trade. So post trade, recording my how I feel, how I am thinking, feels good. It feels good because this is trade 86. The last trade I won was I think trade 72. If I'm not wrong, let me go to my journal and see. If not 72, it was 76, but I think it was 72. So 72 was a break even. 72 was a break even, and which was on 2nd of July. Let us look at 76. So I'm always collecting my data manually so that I learn. So 76 was the win of the since last month. I only won one trade in July, so it was the 15th of July. So the 14th of July is when I won my last trade. Today is the 25th of August. So it feels good. It feels good. So my TP was quite okay, and price is reversing. If I was a bit greedy, I could be sweating right now. Could be sweating right now. But all in all, see you tomorrow. Adios.